Lily, what are you doing? You're burning the tree!
What are you talking about? The tree looks perfect, on fire!
Oh my, you're ruining Christmas! I can't let you do that!
What are you doing, Tony? You're destroying my hot Christmas!
No, I'm not! You can't burn stuff on Christmas, Lily!
You're ruining my Christmas!
No, I'm not! I'm saving it!
I wanted fire!
Hey!
Huh, Santa?
Yeah, it's me. Why are you always fighting? Huh? You guys destroyed the Christmas tree?
It was her! She was burning it!
He put snow on it!
That's supposed to be Christmas!
Hey, stop! You two ruined the Christmas tree. You're going on the naughty list.
The naughty list? We're not gonna get presents!
Oh, what am I gonna do?
If you want to get back on the good list, you have to win the Crafty Hacks Christmas Challenge.
Crafty Hacks Christmas Challenge? What is that?
It's the red versus blue challenge, and the first round is decorate the room.
Decorate the room?
I choose this side!
Okay, I choose this side. Alright guys, I'm gonna use blue decorations. Alright, next I'm gonna decorate the blue Christmas tree. Check out all the lights. It's gonna look so awesome when I finish.
I'm gonna use these red decorations to decorate my side. But I better hurry. Looks like Tony's about to finish.
Alright, you have 5 minutes to finish your decorations.
Oh no, I better start my Christmas tree.
Alright guys, stop. Time's up. Let's see what we have.
Santa, check out my blue decorations.
No, check out mine first.
I asked first.
Wait, hold on. Stop fighting. Do you both want to lose?
Oh, no. Oh, you can go first,
You
Santa.
can go first.
No, you, please.
Alright, I'll look at the blue decoration first. Let's see.
So what do you think, Santa?
It looks really good, Tony, but I have to check Lily's decorations now.
Okay, Santa, my turn. I decorated my whole tree with red, and even the presents are red.
The red looks good too. Good job, Lily.
Wait, then who wins?
Yeah, who wins?
You both win the first round. Good work, everyone. Now let's go to the second round. And the next round is cooking challenge.
Cooking challenge?
Yeah, and you have to cook for me, and whoever makes the best food wins.
Whoa, that sounds interesting.
All right, let the challenge begin.
For this challenge, I'm making spicy fried chicken by using this batter and breadcrumbs. First, add the batter mix to the bowl. Then add water and then mix it up. When the batter's done, just dip the chicken and make sure that it's evenly coated. Cover the whole chicken with breadcrumbs. Finally, we're just gonna fry the chicken.
What? Lily's making fried chicken? I'll beat her with making ice cream plate. First, put the whole tub of ice cream on the plate. Alright, time to put the marshmallows all over the plate. Use the gumball to decorate the top. Add some lollipops. And add a lot of whipped cream on top. Now we'll use blue sprinkles to cover the whole plate.
Alright, time's up. Let's see what you got.
Santa Claus, let me introduce you to fried chicken and hot sauce.
Fried chicken and hot sauce? Let me try it. Oh, this chicken is delicious.
Santa, try mine too. I made a giant ice cream plate.
Alright, let me try yours. Oh, that's really good.
Wait, Santa, who wins?
Me, right?
What?
Hold on, guys, wait. I think you both win this round. I really love chicken and ice cream.
What? That means we're still tied.
Oh, don't worry, we still have the third round.
Third round.
The next round is cookies. Whoever makes the best cookies wins.
Cookies. I know how to win this challenge. I'm gonna be making a gingerbread house. I'll use red icing to decorate the house. Use yellow icing in between the red to make the red pop up more.
Hey, Lily's gingerbread cookies look awesome, but can she beat my giant cookie? Alright, let's start decorating with my cookie stencil. Now put on the cookie stencil. Carefully use the white frosting to cover the entire cookie. Next, I use my secret ingredient, blue sprinkles. Make sure you sprinkle everywhere. Time to take the stencil out. Finally, I'll use some pearls to decorate the cookies.
Santa, check out my gingerbread house.
Whoa, that looks really good.
Santa, check out my giant cookie.
Oh, giant cookie? That looks amazing.
Do I win, Santa?
Put it here, let me see. I think the giant cookie wins.
Alright, I won a round. That means I'm in the lead.
Oh man, I spent so much time on this gingerbread house.
Don't worry, Lily, we still have the last round, which is making a special drink.
Special drink? I don't know how to make special drink.
Oh, I know exactly what to do. I'm gonna make a white chocolate milkshake. First, add a lot of ice into the blender. Pour in some milk. Then add a lot of sugar. Pour in the whole bottle of white chocolate syrup. Slowly pour in the smoothie into the blue glass. Finally, put the straw into it.
For my special drink, I'll be making Santa, apple cider, and cinnamon. Pour the apple cider into the cup, then use a cinnamon stick to stir it up to add some spice. And done! Santa, my drink is ready!
Mine too!
Whoa. Okay, hold on, guys. I'll try Lily's first. Oh, this one's so refreshing.
Santa, try my white chocolate milkshake.
Okay, Tony, let me try it. Whoa, that's really sweet. How much sugar did you add?
I only added 1 bottle of white chocolate and 1 bottle of sugar.
What? Oh, that's too much. I think Lily wins this round. Okay, well, for 4 rounds, you both tied, so you both win the challenge.
Alright!
So Santa, we're not on the naughty list, right? We're getting presents?
Oh yeah, of course. Here you go.
Oh, Santa, can I have one too?
Oh, of course, Tony. Here.
Awesome!
Hey guys, we're gonna prank Santa. Tell him what you're gonna do, Tony.
Alright, I'm gonna make sour milk by adding vinegar. How about you, Lily?
I'm gonna make super spicy cookies by adding hot sauce.
Alright, it looks good. Let's go hide.
Ooh, cookies and milk. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. Oh, I need milk. Oh, no. Oh, sour. Oh.
We got you!
Oh, you two again? That's it. You two are on the naughty list forever. You're never getting presents.
What? No presents forever?
Hey everyone, remember, never prank Santa. Hi everyone.
Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Remember to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.